Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download Warzone 3 on PS5. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to a PlayStation Store, then go on the search icon here, and then you just need to write Call of Duty. Call of Duty, right? And then hit search, and probably the first link will be Call of Duty. And then what you need to do here is to press on it, hit download, and then as you can see here, they will ask you what you want to install Warzone and what you want to play first, or a Modern Warfare 3. Select Warzone. You can I believe you need to install Warzone and Modern Warfare 3 to play together. These two packs, it's essential. And then what you need to do here is to hit install, right? And then Warzone should appear on your installation thing here, as you can see here. And then what you need to do here is to wait until it's installed, and then you can play the game. So yeah, that's pretty much it.